Hello friends, yes guys, you are highly welcome. Welcome to my channel. You are welcome to my channel. I'm so happy and I'm so excited to see you. Okay, to my return subscribers, you are the reason why I smile like this. Thank you for your supporters. This is for you. All right. Today is the first time or see if you are coming across my video. My name is Mercy and you are highly welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Yes guys, this video is a continuation of the video that I've made. How to protect yourself from being harmed by the evil one, especially when you are embarking on a journey. A lot of people, when you are traveling, you will carry alligator pepper inside your bag. You will carry kafra. You will carry goat head. You will carry bottle. You will carry so many things you are carrying. You are carrying special bracelets. You are carrying special necklace. You are carrying special ring on your hand. If accident happen, that hand is cut off. Where is the protection? Because those things are physical. And they say the spiritual control the physical. But when you speak the word that are spirits, but they are life, they manifest. You are wearing the bulletproof, but it's invisible. Nobody will know where your power is. You can wear something now. Some people say, that is the charm is wearing. But when you wear your inner bulletproof, nobody will know what you are carrying. The importance of reading Psalm 23 verse 4 inside your shoe when you are embarking on a journey. Majority of us, we will travel home because we want to see our parents, our sisters. When you travel home, you get to your village. You travel peacefully. You come back, your leg will swell up. They say you have match poison. If you have wear your spiritual bulletproof, when you match poison, poison dries up. Yes. It's even when you take scorpions, he has given you the power to stand above, to trample upon scorpions and pythons. He said it will not hurt you. That is the power of that word I just told you. The power of that word, Psalm 23 verse 4. That when you walk on scorpions and pythons, they will not hurt you because you have that power in your leg. Let me ask you, have you ever seen any normal person walking with their head? No. Anybody that is walking with their head, they will say it's a spirit or it's abnormal. You must walk with your legs. So by the time you are to travel, you now take your shoe and sit down and read Psalm 23 verse 4. Do you understand? He said, lead me not into temptation, but deliver me from all evil. You read it inside your shoe. You can't say it, but you read the word and you wear the shoe. That word you have read has entered your body. Because if your leg did not move you, you will not enter that bus. A lot of us, people, you go out, your children will go out, they will say they enter one chance. You enter one chance, they rob you. One chance in Nigeria, I don't know your country, but here there's something they call one chance kidnappers vehicles, all that. If they one chance, if you enter one chance, they collect your money. Your life is safe, is better. But when you enter one chance, they cut off the person, said the person did not come back. Is it not the worst? You enter vehicle, armed robber will rob, they will shoot. Okay? But once you are wear this word, this bulletproof in you, you can't enter robber motor. It's not possible unless you don't believe in it. Even if you don't believe it, try it. When I post a video, how to know who is after your life? Some people will say, ordinary garlic, ordinary this. But I'm receiving a lot of testimonies. Yes. And the joy of it is that when you get the revelation, you get victory out of it. So it is very important that before you make any journey that is far, any journey that you are not sure of, any journey, your husband is always traveling, like I said, or your children are in school, take time, teach them how to read Psalm 23 in their shoe. You can read from the beginning to the end in their shoe. But you see that verse 4, he said, lead me not into temptation. You will speak and tell God, may this leg, I will never enter the wrong vehicle. A lot of people enter the wrong vehicle, they didn't come back again. They entered the wrong vehicle, they never get to their destination, because every day the enemy are out there. They have signed the blood they want, but by the time you have done the right thing, anything they are doing, your name will be deleted. Yes, your name will be deleted. A family want to travel, they've entered the bus, the conductor just look at them and say, come down, come down, come down, you are not going again with this bus. Others enter. Even them, they went back home, they couldn't go again, because the vehicle that came out, they were not happy. They will travel the next day, but on their way going, they were told that bus they want to enter did not get to the destination, because they saw the bus on the road. The bus had accident, many people died. Those people that enter that vehicle, they are human beings. But once you have done the right thing, when you are going, you will go like a lion, because a lion is a waster. You will not go as like ordinary person. Don't live your life as if nothing. Live your life as a spiritualist. How can you be a spiritualist with these little things that you are doing? The enemy will be surprised. You travel village anywhere you want, you will match, because that word has entered inside your body. You wore the word, you wear it on your shoe, you put the word, you wear it for the whole of that day. Anywhere you put your leg, nothing. They put charm for you, they will enter the charm, because God will not fail on his word. Enough of people entering the wrong vehicle and never getting to their destination, and that shall not be your portion anymore. You don't need to carry anything, you need to carry about that, because you want to protect yourself. With that psalm in your shoe, you are protected. It's as simple as that. The next psalm you read on your shirt is Psalm 91. That is one you're bulletproof, because you will hug people, you will shake people. Do you understand? When you hug, they wanted to use their body and shoot arrow. The arrow will enter inside them again. Bim, they will leave you. Okay. Just like that. They'll be surprised. What does he wear? Because you have done it already for a purpose of that journey. Even if when you are not wearing the clothes, you are protected, because that thing you did was for the purpose of that journey. You are working in office, there's too much enemy, there's too much envy, there's too much charm and poison all over there. You just take your time, you read it on the show. Anytime you enter office, they put any charm for you, you sat down, charm will dry up, because that is the word of God. The word, they are spirits, but they are life, and God cannot change on his word. He said, even though you walk through the valley and of shadow of death, the valley and shadow of death, you fear no evil. So it is very necessary that you try as much as possible to help yourself with these little things, so that you always be on the safer side. You be on the right side. If anything happens, they say, who survive is only you that survive. It is better. You can't die with your enemy. When you are in my channel, no way. It's not possible. It's not possible. Okay. It's not possible. So I want to encourage you. You have not been doing it before. Begin to do it. Because very soon, that leg that you are wearing up and down, that is how you are going to walk and enter into your destiny helper's hand, because your leg will direct you to the right person. Okay, that is what I want to share with you.